So that's what that piece looks like. I don't know if you can see it on my fingers. My fingers are all messy. I'll just give it a taste. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Christian, aka DJ NOY-Z of Beatwave Productions, and today we have another Tasty Tuesday video for you. And today we're going to be trying something again new, because that's the whole idea behind this, is that we're going to be trying new foods and things of that sort, and different taste challenges. That's what we're going to do on Tuesday. Today, since my wife and I are on the Daniel fast, we're trying out new foods, and I don't know where it went to again. Down here in the cupboard. Today we're trying out this jackfruit. I guess it's what it says, chili. Yeah, I guess black bean and corn Tex Mex spice. So, jackfruit, if you're not familiar, because I'm certainly not, or wasn't, but it's like this big old melon thing, and from what I hear, it's got like a meaty type of taste to it. Like, like eats like meat. So, anybody's doing a vegetarian diet, something to possibly check out. I don't have the actual melon. We wanted to get the melon, but this thing is huge, and it costs like $30 just for the melon by itself. So we didn't want to do that. So we got these little packets here, and I believe you can just pop them in a microwave, or you can do it on the stove. You have a preference, dear?
Microwave is fine.
Microwave is fine. All right. So we're gonna have it over some rice, and she just cut up some avocado. If you can see that there. And yeah, so we're gonna get in the microwave and we're gonna check it out. Real simple. You just tear the package just like that, and you pop it in the microwave for, was it 1 minute?
1 minute.
On high. 1 minute on high. I'm not gonna show y'all the inside of the microwave because it's not. So there it is. Can't wait. All right. So in the meantime, we're waiting for that to get done. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also let me know down in the comment section if there's any foods or anything that I should try on the Tasty Tuesday. Last time we did crickets, but as we're on the Daniel fast for the next 21 days, or actually by the time you're watching this, we'll have 2 weeks left. If you have any suggestions, make sure that they're vegetarian and that they don't contain any sugar, because you can't have added sugar in the on the Daniel fast. Also, you got the big old pot of rice going. That pot of rice is not for today's meal only, since we're going to be doing this for a total of 3 weeks. That's kind of like a big pot, so we can have it ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna reach in, since it's all like in a like in a mix. I'm just gonna reach in with my tongs here, and I'm gonna grab a piece of the jackfruit just right out of there and just kind of give it a taste here. So that's what that piece looks like. I don't know if you can see it on my fingers. My fingers all messy. I'll just give it a taste. It does chew like meat, but it's not like a real firm meat. It's like a soft meat, but it's good. It's good. I wouldn't say it tastes like meat. You can tell it's got a little fruitiness, but it's not sweet. It's like a dull sweetness. So it's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try with the whole thing, and I'm gonna catch back up with you guys here in just a bit. Why are you laughing?
Because watching the filming is funny.
So it's a process. The chili is actually really good. I'll put the information for the product down in the description. But it's really good. Jackfruit. Hopefully here soon I can actually just get a piece of the jackfruit, not all mixed up in the chili sauce like that, or the Tex Mex, or Mex, whatever this is, and try it out like that. But it's pretty good. All right, y'all. Tasty Tuesday. Till next week. Love, peace, hair grease.